Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Bybit to Revolut. So let's get into the video. So first thing, go to bybit.com and then log into your Bybit account. So once you have logged into your Bybit account here, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on this assets option here and then simply go to these withdraw option here. So click on assets and then click on your withdraw option. So once you get to this withdraw section here, so when this loads, just wait for this to load. Okay, so click on the withdraw option here. So when you get to the withdraw page here, so what we're going to do, we're going to simply select. Alright, so when you get to this, so simply select what you want to withdraw to your Revolut. So I will leave it as Bitcoin, BTC. You can change it if you want to. And then on the withdraw to, select the on-chain withdrawal tab, and then the wallet address. So the wallet address is the address of your Revolut address. So when you on your Revolut, you will find your address for receiving cryptos. So just enter that address here. You can get it from your Revolut app or from your Revolut account. So just enter that address here. And then the chain type or the network, just choose that. Since this is BTC, I'll just choose it as BTC, and then just type in the amount that you wish to withdraw. So whatever you want to withdraw, just type that in, and then once that's done, so what you're going to do, you're going to just review it and hit on confirm. And then when you click on confirm, then you're going to review your transaction again and then just complete the transaction. So that's how you withdraw to your Revolut. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.